Hello, my name is Frank, and this is a 2.2 with 2.5 heads, and it went in a Shelby Daytona Shelby Z, and it's got the new turbo bearings and all in the bottom half. Everything's been redone. It's a turbo block. That's where you hook up on your turbos and stuff. Comes with a brand new power steering pump already mounted. Got the nice powder coated halfway on the intake. Took me a while to find that one. Yeah. And I'm wanting to sell it. Car didn't make it. Too much wrong with the cars, but this one made it. It's a nice one. Should pump about 200, 220 out. You got any questions, give me a call. FDR2468 at live.com. I'll answer any questions you got. But it is for sale. You pretty much fit it in anything if you got the capability there. 10.5. That's nice. Just give me a hoot. Engine stand comes with it. Also comes with air conditioning in case you want to put an air conditioner on. That's a nice one. Later.